Hello everyone, welcome to GreyPot. Today's recipe is a very simple and easy appetizer. Mozzarella spinach cheese sticks. This is a crispy with a gooey cheese filling inside. So let's start with blanched and chopped spinach, grated paneer, and season it with some pepper, oregano and some salt. Now mix everything really well and slightly smash it while mixing. Now take some mozzarella cheese and cut that into strips like this. Instead of mozzarella cheese, you can also use processed cheese. Now take each cheese sticks and coat it with the paneer and spinach mixture. So after blanching the spinach, you have to squeeze out all the water and then chop it or blend it in a blender. Or else the spinach and the paneer mixture will be so watery and it will not get coated over the cheese sticks. You have to coat the cheese sticks really well, or else when you're frying it, the cheese will start to ooze out. Coat all the cheese sticks in the same way. After coating all the cheese sticks, you have to freeze this for 20 minutes so that it will get really firm. Now after that, beat some egg and take each cheese sticks, coat it in all-purpose flour, tap out the excess flour from it, then dip it in egg, roll it in some breadcrumbs, and again dip that in egg, and do the final coating with the breadcrumbs. And you have to do the same process with all the cheese sticks. And as I do it in all my recipes, I don't use breadcrumbs. Instead, I use rusk powder, which gives an even coating, a good crisp, and a slightly sweet taste. After coating all the cheese sticks, keep that again in freezer for 5 minutes. And after that, heat up some oil to fry the cheese sticks. Fry it till it turns crispy brown color like this. And while frying, you can see some cheeses oozing out in some portions. That is completely okay, as the cheese will get melted when it heated up. So there you go. Our delicious crispy cheese sticks are ready. You can serve it up with some tomato ketchup or simply have it just like that. In the first bite itself, you can feel the melted cheese inside with the taste of paneer and spinach. Slight crispy coating outside with the oozing cheese inside. A perfect appetizer for any parties or a perfect evening snack for our kids. So you definitely have to try out this recipe and leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Google+, and Pinterest. Click the logo to subscribe to GreyPot and don't forget to hit the bell icon for the notifications of new videos. Watch more interesting and unique recipe videos from our channel GreyPot. Do check it out. Thank you.